So this is what my shop normally looks like, but one $70 upgrade, and then it goes to this, or this, or this, or this. There's a lot of options. Let me show you this thing. So what I'm talking about is this, the CINOTON UFO High Bay Light, 150 watt, and this is the smart version. So what do I mean by the smart version? Well, I have this little remote right here, and what this can do is change from the cool light that you see to the 2700K warm light. You see how that color changes. I can also drop it to 50% power, 10% power, go back up to 100% power, go back to the other light. And that's all pretty cool, but I want to show you something else. If I grab my app here, I'm going to open up the CINOTON app, which is right here. Let's see if I can give you a better view. I don't want to blind just showing you this thing. I'll kind of show it right there. And watch as I move through here. You see the lighting completely changing in here. I can move it all the way around there. I can take my brightness, and I can start to drop my brightness down. Or I can bring it back up. There's some presets that come on here. Focus, ambient, working, night. So you play around with those, you get it where you like it. When I'm working, I personally like it on the cool color, the 6500K, and I'll usually have it at 100%. I walk into this room. Before I had this, I didn't realize how dark my shop was. Now I walk in and this thing turns on and it's like, oh my gosh, I can see. My kids want to be out here working more. It's easier for me to be out here working. And again, this was a $70 upgrade. So think for a second about how important lighting is in your garage and the other things that you've wasted $70 on that don't make this kind of difference for your work area. Another thing on here that you have is we have a countdown timer, so I could set this to shut off at any certain time. And I can also turn it on from inside the house because this is Wi-Fi connected, which is a beautiful thing for me because I have two little kids. They want to go out to the garage. Sometimes they're a little nervous about going out in the dark, turning the lights on. I can have it on when they get out here. Or I can set it to turn off after a little bit, and then it looks like somebody's out here if I want it for security purposes, something like that. So if your shop isn't as bright as you wish it could be, the CINOTON has this smart technology. Click on the link below. When you buy it, it will help me. You get a cool light and I earn a commission. I think the percentage is about 3. That's all I got for rhymes there. But seriously, for $70, this was an awesome upgrade to the shop. Again, makes it a whole lot brighter. I love the smart technology. I can adjust it, make it what really works for me. I love it for my kids. I love it for security, and it just makes my shop a lot easier to work in. So click on that link below, check it out, and I will see you in the next video.